This is a Briggs and Stratton 19.5 horsepower turbo-cooled opposed twin engine. The model is 42E707. Now I'm really struggling with getting the engine to start. There's power. I think the fuel is fine. The carburetor looks clean. I did some minor adjustments and they seem fine. The spark plugs seem fine, but it's really having a lot of issue turning over. Now I've marked here with the white out where the magnets are for the coil or the magneto, and I've gone through 3 of them, and I thought at first maybe it wasn't getting spark, but I've gone through 3 of them. Even though I couldn't get the magneto test to work on a multimeter testing the resistance, I don't think it's the magneto because I've gone through 3 of them. Two of them were brand new off eBay. This is the one of the new ones that I got off eBay that I thought didn't work, but it's still not working, and it seems to really struggle when the magneto gets to that point. So I'll crank it. As you can see, it always seems to get stuck right here. I poured starter fluid in the carb. I don't think it's a fuel issue. The battery is charged. I have it on trickle mode right now. It seems like the flywheel is just really hard to turn at roughly around this point where the starter starts to struggle. So if anyone has any ideas, would love to hear your thoughts if you've had similar struggles.